additional tips to consider would be to make sure that you've removed any clutter from pathways that your loved one travels frequently throughout the home. You'll want to make sure that there are not stacks of newspaper that could potentially stand in the way, especially at the top of staircases. You also want to make sure that there are no cords over the pathways that could be a potential tripping hazard. You might want to reroute the cord behind the couch or tape the cord down to the floor, again to prevent trips and falls. Also, area rugs, while they can be beautiful and decorative, they can also be a trip hazard. So you might want to remove them altogether or use that double-sided tape I mentioned earlier to secure the rugs to the floor. You also want to think about staircases, another place where falls can frequently occur. Usually, staircases have at least one railing to hold on to as you go up and down the stairs. You might want to consider adding another railing on the other side so that the person can use both rails to provide stability as they go up and down the staircase. You also want to make sure that those stairways are well lit, and lighting is another thing to consider throughout the entire home. So you could put some lighting under the kitchen cabinets. There's easy ones that you can stick up there. You can consider motion sensor lights in closets. So when you open the closet door, there's lighting in there as well. And especially in hallways and at nighttime, those motion sensored lights can be really handy, or just adding some additional lighting in a hallway can really go a long way in preventing falls. And then one final thing, while it's important to remove clutter and make sure pathways are clear, you at times want to rearrange furniture so it prevents wandering. You might want to rearrange it in a way that cues the person away from the exits of the home or certain rooms of the house. And so I have a video on wandering that I hope you will check out, where I go into more detail on how you can do this in a space such as this. All of these tips, I hope, have been helpful to you in providing a safer environment for your loved one living with dementia. Thank you so much for watching.